Good morning, mathematicians. We're looking at Unit 5, Lesson 13. We're analyzing some addition to see maybe where some errors have occurred. So this cool down is titled, What is the Error? We're going to find the error and then we're going to fix it at the end of this cool down. So the first thing that we're tasked with is explaining what the error is. So we have to look up here and figure out where that error occurred. The first thing that I do is I start combining these numbers and I notice that's not where the error is. Then I realized the error is certainly not in the calculating. The error has to do with my place values. Notice here is a decimal point. Where is the decimal point here? It is at this moment. Our decimal points are not aligned, which means, for instance, this 8 is in the ones place, but it is being added with this 4 in the tenths place. So we are not adding neighbor place values. We have to make sure that our decimal aligns, because when the decimal is lined up, really what that is providing is we are adding similar place values. So the calculation error is the decimal point is not aligned. This means different place values are being combined. This should not happen. The decimal point being lined up allows for tenth and tenth digits to be added and other values similarly. Okay, we could write something like that. That certainly communicates this idea that your decimal points are aligned, because when your decimal point aligns, your place values are aligned as well. So we're adding the same thing. Okay, that's what we're trying to capture in explaining the error. Now, when I come down below, I went ahead and started this out for us so that we could do number 2, which is finding the correct value. So what I want us to look at here, I'm going to put my cursor here, and notice what I'm going to do is now I have those aligned. So I continued to push that spacebar button until I have achieved the purpose. What did I need to do? I needed to get my place values lined up. Now they are aligned. Once I have those place values aligned, my place values are lined up because my decimal points are lined up. And now we always get in the habit of thinking about neighbor place values and giving zeros when needed. That will be, as we've said, particularly important for subtracting decimals. Now, let's go ahead and combine values. This 0 and this 6 are both hundredth place digits, so I can combine those, and I have a 6 in the hundredths place. 7 plus 4 gives us 11. I'm going to put a 1 in the tenths place, but I'm going to carry a 1 to the ones place. Now I have 1 plus 8 plus 9, which is 18. So here is my 8, and I'm going to carry this 1. 1 plus 3 plus 0 is 4. So now I have combined place values that should have been combined because they're the same place values, and I've gotten a very different answer. My answer, the correct answer to this question, is 48 and 16 hundredths.